Welcome to St Leonard's College, an independent co-educational school located in Brighton East, not far from the coast of Melbourne's famous Port Phillip Bay.
A rich history and proud heritage sits behind our school. The story starts in 1914, when 8 students attend classes in a Brighton church hall.
Over the years, that number has grown. Today, over 1,600 students come here to Bayside School of Choice, an independent and truly co-educational school.
At St Leonard's, the day starts long before the school bell rings. While the rest of Melbourne wakes, some of us are already busy doing what we love, preparing our bodies and our minds for the day that lies ahead.
What we do here, what we learn, what we see, what we experience is all guided by a commitment St Leonard's makes to us, that our time here will provide us with an education for life.
For over 100 years, these words have guided our school, helping St Leonard's create an approach to education that focuses on all aspects of our development, head, heart and soul.
The curriculum is diverse, with academic programs that are modern, relevant and dynamic.
Our teachers nurture our talents and help us develop the skills and values we need to succeed, in whatever path we choose as we take our place in the world.
As the first school in Victoria to introduce the world-leading International Baccalaureate Diploma program, our school is known for its innovative approach to education and the exceptional academic achievements that have come as a result.
St Leonard's has an extensive co-curricular program, offering something for all of us and allowing us to pursue our existing passions, as well as the opportunity to unearth new ideas, interests and abilities.
All of this takes place in an environment that combines exceptional facilities with a culture that supports every aspect of our growth, physical, emotional and spiritual.
We are mentored, counselled, known, nurtured and loved.
This is our school, but it is more than just that.
It is a community.
A home away from home,
Where the lights are on and the doors are open.
Long after others close theirs.
We are prepared for what lies ahead.
Here we gain our education for life.